Hello, this is Jesse Bourne. I'm in my workshop. Today I wanted to show everybody how I ship my puzzle boxes out and how I package them up and get them ready to go in the mail. So that's what this episode is going to be about. So not that I know all the tips and tricks, but maybe you guys can help me improve the process. Anyway, I've got something worked out here and I'm just going to show you how it's done. So first off, we go here to the computer, and as you can see, this guy already paid me. This is on PayPal. So all I have to do is just hit ship right here, and then it'll take me to this. What I do is I go with USPS because their store is just up the road from me. Okay, with that all set, we go over here and we're gonna watch it print right here in this little booth I set up. This is for all the shipping products. Got the printer here, paper cutter, boxes, and product obviously. So now with those printed, I'm just gonna set up one of my boxes. Just set this up. Probably see people who use the tape gun actually like it's intended to be used, but I just prefer doing it this way. Okay, so now this is kind of cool. I'm going to take and I'm going to use this green paper that I have set up on this little roll gizmo, and I use that for padding in the boxes. I just find that paper, packing paper is just so much more pleasant than, something plastic. It just makes it looks so much better than some sort of plastic in there or packing peanuts. People argue that packing peanuts provide the best protection, but, I never like getting something that's in packing peanuts because then you have to just put them in a bag, throw them away. It's kind of a nuisance, and they fall all over the place, and so long as you put enough of the packing paper in there, it'll keep it from rattling around, shaking, and getting damaged. By the way, if you notice that my voice sounds a little funny, it's because I've had a cold for the past 5 days, and I haven't even been out here working very often because it's been terrible. So now check this out. Move this over here, pull this down. I usually do about 5 of these. Okay, so what I do first, stick a couple of these in here, then I'll take the solution sheet, fold that up. And here's the thing that I should fix and that I will fix for the next box. I want the solution sheet to actually be in an envelope marked solution. Maybe a red envelope would be nice with some, embossed solution lettering on the front, and then like a wax seal on the back so that if the person never opens it in order to solve the puzzle, then it's kind of like an extra bonus for them. A piece of paper is just not very professional, and that's obviously something that I need to fix going forward. But for now it works for the people who can't get the box open. So anyway, I'll put this in the bottom of the box. From experience, if you put it at the top of the box, people slice it when they go to open this thing. Put a couple, 3 of these on here, then I'll grab one of these. This is the actual product. It's one of these Jack-in-the-Box is wrapped up in this black paper with my name on it. And people seem to like the copper contrast tape there and the wrapping, so that's nice. And it looks good with the green paper and everything. Not too bad. I'll do one more of these. Yeah, I'll do two of them. Okay, so how tricky is this going to be? We need to get a better system. Then we just take this on here, and we are all set. One thing that would be nice to get would be a label printer. But I don't ship a super high volume of these things anyway, so I don't know. Okay, so now the box is all ready to ship at this point. All right, so I know that was probably really boring for some of you, but hopefully it gives you a little bit of insight into how things are done here. It's pretty simple, it's pretty basic, but I try to implement good ideas, and I'm always trying to improve the process. So thanks for watching this video, and hopefully there will be more coming out because I haven't been posting videos in a long time. So we'll see how that goes. Thanks for watching, have a good day. I'll see you soon. Goodbye.